You know firsthand what coronavirus can do to a person's body. And you're known as what's known as a long haul patient. So tell me, how are you doing today?
I actually got the virus in March. I was one of the first. So this was, still at the point where they were saying don't wear masks. We need to save the masks for healthcare workers, and we knew so little about it.
So you have these like lingering symptoms from COVID. I know that you just posted an illustration of what would be like your lungs post-COVID. So for anyone who doesn't know what that is,
those are actually my lungs.
Those are actually your lungs.
Those are actually my lungs.
Wow.
Yeah, in the middle. So I've been working with a doctor named Dr. Lee, and he basically takes CT scans and is able to put it through a process where you can actually see the blood vessels. He asked permission to use that photo to make a point. And I said, of course, because I feel like me getting the disease, I feel almost blessed in a way because I'm an activist. And so any opportunity I have to raise awareness and to educate and empower people on what is happening. And so, yeah, I am a long hauler, which means I haven't fully recovered. And, I work really hard at physical therapy, mental therapy to try to regain my health. But it's been very trying, and it's been very scary. We just don't know.
Right.
We just don't know. We don't know if people ever completely recover. Yeah. So it's scary.
I have to ask you, because the storming of the Capitol, I think, was one of those moments where, is it where were you when that happened kind of moment in history? Look at the security at the Capitol. I don't think they were fortified enough to deal with something like that.
I can't even count the number of times I've been at the Capitol to lobby for certain issues and to take meetings. The security is always so tight.
Yeah, it was surreal to watch that.
It was heartbreaking, and my heart goes out to the Capitol Police. And so this has been really hard. And for someone who I love this country so much, and I love the people of this country, and I do believe that we'll build back better with Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. And I'm excited as an activist to play my part and do whatever I can to make the people of this country feel that they could dream again.
You must be counting down the minutes until Inauguration Day.
I am counting down minutes.
Yeah.
Yes. And I'm excited to be supporting the Creative Coalition, this incredible event. If there's anything that we've seen throughout history that can unite a country after crisis, it's the arts. It's music, it's television, it's film, it's books, it's poetry. And so, to be fighting alongside the Creative Coalition to make sure that our budget isn't cut from the National Endowment of the Arts in the federal budget, I think is really, really important. And we have to remember that our industry is a really big component to the economic success of our country.
Thank you for watching. If you want more extra, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll never miss a video.